feral barn cats.
We are the group formerly known as the Feral Barn Cats, now known as the Feral Barn Cats. We had some other ideas for group names, which, for example,
Dick Farm.
Dick Farm. Also,
Ron's Dick Emporium.
Ron's Dick Emporium. Penile Agronomy Collective was my favorite. But we wound up being Feral Barn Cats. One of the things... Classy. Yes. So one of the things that you do in level 5 of classes at Station Theater is you get to design your own form. And so we got to do that. We invented an improv form that has never been seen in public before. So you guys are going to be the first audience for our new form, which is called Found Spaces. So Feral Barn Cats, Found Spaces.
It's cute, it's adorable.
Okay, we're going to come up with another name and we'll be right back with you. Found Spaces. Okay. So, I need somebody to talk to.
Oh.
How many of you have pets that you love? Who has a pet? What kind of pet do you have?
A dog.
A dog? What's your dog's name?
Jana.
Jana. What kind of dog is Jana?
Jana is a mutt. She's part spaniel and maybe some other.
Part spaniel and part something else. How did Jana come into your life, ma'am?
Oh, she chose us.
She chose you. Cool. Now, can you elaborate a little bit on that? How did Jana first turn up in your life?
Oh, I was at the pet shop looking for a pet.
Okay.
And
at the pet shop looking for a pet.
yeah, on Saturdays there's a group that brings pets in there and you can adopt them, right?
Okay.
So I found this picture of a dog that I thought, well, a dog should look like brown and short hair.
Okay. So rescue group had a picture of this dog.
Exactly. No, I was right there.
The dog was right there.
Right there.
At the rescue group outside the
right,
pet shop.
Right. So I called Ron. I said, we have to come here. I said,
I didn't even. She is not a shill. I promise you. It may appear that way.
He just doesn't share his private life.
So I said, you have to come here and see this dog.
Right.
Wait. He goes, wait. There's a part spaniel on the website. You wait and look for Nadia, because they thought she was a black spaniel. But anyway.
I think that your story has reminded Allison of a story. Would you mind if she told you the story that she has in mind?
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you for your story.
I want mine. Thank you.
So I'm cheap. So I hire students to babysit for my children because I'm a teacher, because I'm cheap. And one of my favorite people on the planet is getting ready to move off to LA. My favorite babysitters is getting ready to move off to LA to make it famous. And so she came by this week to talk to me and say goodbye to the girls. And she had just had to put 2 cats in a row down. So we brought Sparkle in, Allison. It was good because we knew it was coming. But then a couple weeks later when we had to put Princess down, here's what's so crazy. We left, and we left the towel there for Sparkle, and we were just too upset. But when we came back to put Princess down, this is why there's like a cosmic, there has to be heaven for pets. The towel that we left for Sparkle, and it was just like a guest room towel, we just left it. It's the same towel they used to wrap up Princess when we put her down. And I just feel good about that. And not that they don't wash it, because that's probably gross, but I feel good that they were there together, Sparkle and Princess.
I can't take you home. I can't. I got like 10 cats already. I know. You're cool. I'm sure one of I know that's I've got like 10 cats. My husband's gonna leave
me. Nope, nope, you're cute. I'm just here for litter. Oh my god. Does anybody work here?
Hey, you're trying to sell that cat? Think you want to buy that cat?
No, I know, I don't.
You kind of look like you want to buy this cat.
Not at all. I don't want to buy the
Hey,
cat.
look, here's a ball. Oh my goodness, how cute. Dynamite, you may want to... Oh, and look at this. Oh, look, it's a fish toy. It's a fish toy. Oh, how cute. Oh.
No, I'm just shopping.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I like to
for
take a
litter.
look at the cats.
It's so fun.
Like
It's
it.
okay.
No, no.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
No, he's good. Why don't you take him home? You seem to really be into him.
Look, not every person's going to be open to you. All right? Not everyone's going to understand how special and perfect
It's
you
cool.
are.
He's great.
There are some women that have dark souls and are horrible, horrible bitches.
Okay, I'm just over here in litter.
But if somebody could find in their bitchy soul to just take number 11, just one, maybe if you were to oh.
I'm looking for a cat, just like a cat.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi,
good seeing you here. Oh,
he's there.
yeah, got run over by a truck. What can you say? I mean, I'm, God.
Look, I told you.
Hey,
I want you to take care of him.
what?
I want you to take care of him. I want you to have custody. Custody of
This.
Bitsy.
It's not really moving or breathing. He's kind of in a box. You want
Fred.
you want me to bury him? Is what you're saying?
Don't mock my pain, Fred.
Look, you got hit by a truck. Wait. It happens, okay?
It happens.
It happened. My wife got run over by a truck last week. She's dead. Get over it, dude.
And what? You left her remains at the morgue?
Yeah? Of course.
You don't deserve Bitsy,
I don't
Fred.
want your dumb dead cat. I'm sorry, you want me to bury your G.I. Joe that you don't play with anymore?
I'm getting too old for it. I can't take it with me.
This is kind of stupid.
Normally people flush when they go number 2. So actually the box of ashes reminds me because I'm from the funeral business. 2 generations, not me, but my mom and my grandparents were. And so when a box would come in after hours with someone's remains, my mom didn't like to leave it in her car because she thought that was disrespectful to someone's loved one. So she thought it was more respectful to bring them into our home. On our kitchen counter. And they're like, if you've never seen one before they put them in the pretty urn, they're a white box with like different person's information on it. And I was like, my mom's like, it's not like he's still around. Allison, listen, Allison Blanchmeyer, I am trying to be respectful. This box is someone's grandmother, someone's loved one. Susan, do you want to be hot? Don't make that face. You don't know. You don't know. And if one day you're in that box, how do you want to be treated? Wow. I'm going to make some coffee now.
Oh, honey, don't let me pull the plug. I keep trying to ask. I know it's what you wanted. I remember when you told me, you were just as lifeless as you are now. You just looked at me and said, don't keep me alive past the point that I should be. I loved you so much for that. Oh, if only the nurse would just let me just, you know, it's right here. I think there's like a couple things plugged in.
Miss, I'm making coffee. You want a cup?
I wanted to talk to you about, you know, he wants to die. It says it all over his vacant face. He's an open book, and I read him so well. Can you see it?
This is really not my job, ma'am. But okay. You're the one who knows him best, I suppose.
Yes, I've been with him for 2 months now.
Okay, but whatever you do, don't tell the nurse.
It's happening just the way you wanted it. Just the way you wanted it. If you're gonna do something, do it, okay? Like, I ain't paying y'all guys to just sit around and, like, not bring in customers, okay? Okay, like, sit sexy or something.
Something.
It's a bed, lay down, land spread.
I'm not working with much here, okay?
I'm blowing up. That much is clear.
All right, okay, next person comes in, I'll be as sexy as possible.
Sexy as fuck, you better.
Bachelorette party!
Party! Hey!
Hey.
Hey! Hey!
Mommy, what are you
What's that
bachelorette party? It's like made money.
You said be sexy.
Why did I say touch her? I didn't say touch her. I think you were looking at the mic.
Okay, so be sexy, but don't touch.
Right.
Think about what you're doing, man.
Okay, next customer. I'll be sexy, but I won't touch.
Yeah. Right.
Look, let me try it.
You can have Ron here for $20. Don't touch. Don't touch. No touching.
You think this is like a cool bed to murder somebody in?
$15. $75. I meant 75. Well, not you. I think he meant somebody else.
I'm not really picky. I don't know. I have an urge. It's been building up for like 20 years. Time to act on
I
it.
just kind of want to police. If you see someone come in, he's got kind of a deeper, raspier voice, like, just don't serve him. He's apparently like a serial murderer or something like that, so like, just be on the lookout.
Do you like men or do you like women?
I'm not picky, you know?
So surprisingly, that reminds me of my childhood. It's true. I lived overseas when I was a kid. My dad was CIA. We lived in Thailand for a couple of years. And in Thailand, there were a lot of CIA guys who had stayed after the Vietnam War and married Thai women. And the Thai women generally got set up running restaurants. And so my dad we went back to Thailand when I was in high school, and we kind of took the tour. My dad would say, you know, there's that place over there. I know the woman who runs it. And we'd go in and we'd have a lovely meal and maybe a drink, and we'd admire the women on the stage with the numbers on them. And pretty much wherever we went, my dad would say, you know, I know a woman who runs a restaurant there. Anywhere in the world.
What McDonald's to take your order? Please, like Big Mac. Certainly, Henry. I just want a coffee. Okay. We make coffee. Black coffee. No sugar, no cream. My coffee, no sugar, no cream. And not too hot. Not too hot.
Hey, shut the fuck up, okay?
Sir, would you fries.
Everything good with fries?
Yeah, fries.
All right, fries.
Fries. That's it.
All right, thank you, please go forward.
Jerry, remember, we have a sales quota to meet, and therefore, you cannot possibly just sell something that is not a combo, okay? No non-combos. You have to sell a combo. Get to it!
Pardon me, sir, I hate to... Can you please reverse? I need to buy a combo meal.
They won't let me reverse. It's all backed up back there.
Too bad, you gotta pull back.
Okay, all right.
Alright,
So what do you want? Combo?
it must be a combo. I know you ordered coffee, no sugar,
So
no cream.
what constitutes combo? I mean, I got coffee and fries. That's combo.
Coffee, fries, not a
What do
combo,
you
sir.
mean? Combine this with this, it's a combo. A plus B equals C.
Just order a burger, come in the front, sir.
Burger? Give me a burger. Give me a burger.
Hey, shut the fuck up! I'm trying to help this guy, okay?
What the heck?
Sir, please go forward.
Okay. Where do I pick this? Where do I pick this stuff up?
You come to the front of the window, sir.
I can park the car and go on.
Yes, sir, please come inside.
What is it? What is it? Yes.
Well, I'm super special this week. Well, my parents believe in a reward system. So if you don't stab anybody, and you don't punch anybody, and you don't stick your fingers in anyone's private bottom. Oh my God! I'm excited. Toothpaste! Like my mom saw this thing, like she used to work for Price is Right, so look, you just take the box off, and here's the toothpaste! Yay! You don't have to bother unwrapping it, look! What can it be? It's a box!
Your toothpaste looks so nice!
Thank you, you don't seem excited.
No, I just feel like a little disappointed because at my house we get like DVDs and shit.
All this big buildup, like all this good behavior, and
And you get toothpaste.
Wait.
I feel like you're getting a little ripped off
Wait a
here.
second, there's a lid.
No, that's standard feature. That's not even. It's not even aftermarket. It's not even aftermarket.
I'm glad you're happy,
I mean, it's cool.
but
Yes, but it seems like a
all that
basic.
buildup, you know, I was kind of expecting a little something else. Little
Have you ever
something.
heard the word basic? Like basic bitch? Right, but dental hygiene is kind of standard.
No, we're glad you've discovered
I mean,
it.
it's cool.
19 years old, probably about the right time.
You do you, but it seems, for good behavior, it just seems like
Excessive.
baseline. Yeah.
Wait, baseline or excessive?
I mean, baseline, right?
Baseline.
Yeah. I mean, I get toothpaste just for existing.
You know what? I still got a shank on me.
No, you're gonna lose the toothpaste if you shank us,
This thing can last a whole like 3 months.
and you're gonna lose it if you shank us.
I have a frozen shake, bitch.
Her mother isn't here to see it.
Frozen.
They make a frozen shake!
Can I make a frozen
I
shake?
had to make this myself out of
For
bullets
the
and tears.
first time.
I'm killing my mother. I think I'm gonna kill my mother.
Let it go.
I can't hold it back anymore.
Let the storm rage on.
I need to let that storm rage on. I repressed my rage so I could get a present. I'm gonna go find a kitty cat somewhere at some store and I'm gonna stab it. Not.
Maybe
Just
verbal.
people.
Maybe verbal. Lower value.
What's the difference between a felony and a
I think she's
misdemeanor?
onto something here.
Find me a kitty cat. Fuck box.